Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Kava token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Kava is a layer 1 blockchain designed as a cross-chain hub that merges the developer ecosystem of Ethereum with the speed and interoperability of Cosmos. Hybrid architecture, it uses a unique co-chain designed to combine Ethereum's smart contract compatibility with Cosmos high-speed interoperable infrastructure. Cross-chain DeFi focus, the network aims to unify fragmented liquidity, serving as a settlement layer for decentralized finance, stablecoins, and more recently AI-powered applications. Developer-led growth, ecosystem expansion is driven by incentive programs like Kava Rise, which allocates funds to rewards protocol users and development. Kava token total supply is 1.08 billion and circulating supply is also 1.08 billion Kava token. Kava token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, KuCoin, and other centralized exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 90% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.